G'day. So today I'm going to show you through using Sitecore Personalize to deliver personalized experiences at scale by taking advantage of the decision model capability within Sitecore Personalize. So we're going to walk through decision models, offers, offer templates, programmables, decision templates, all sorts of bits and pieces that need to come together so that you can get the most value from this tool. But also so that you can deliver most value for your website visitors based on their stage of the customer journey, so that you can deliver them the next best action based on what they need to do next. So this is our demo site. It's a site for a fictional insurance company called Cover Insurance. And so the use case is that we have new members. We have new members that sign up on our site, and we want to encourage them towards making a purchase decision. And specifically for new members, we want to offer them a percentage discount off their first purchase, but we want to offer them a different discount based on their geographic location. That's because we operate differently in different markets, and we just need to give them a different discount based on where they live. So that's our use case. We want to offer a personalized experience based on a combination of two different things: their member status and their geographic location. Okay, so let's start building this out now in Sitecore Personalize. The first thing we're going to do is create our offer. And you can think of offer as basically the conversation that you want to have with your website visitors. So in this case, we want to have a conversation about the discount that we can offer them based on their location. So let's go into offers, and we start, before we create our offers themselves, we create the offer template. And this is basically the structure of the conversation we want to have with them about the discount we can offer. And specifically, we want to capture as part of the template any attributes that might be useful in delivering the personalized experience. So I've created an offer here called city-based discount. Pretty straightforward. It's a discount based on geolocation. And I've come up with a few different attributes that we might want to capture under each offer. So the city name itself, the discount amount, so what percentage off, an image, if we want to use an image of that particular city just to tailor the experience, and a custom message. So that's our template. And then we create our offers. So I've created 3 different offers based on that template: a Sydney offer, a Brisbane offer, and an offer for everybody else. If we go into one of them, so we'll go into the Sydney offer. So name and description. Then we put in different values for each of these attributes. So you can see for Sydney, we're going to offer a 10% discount. I've added in an image here and a custom message. And that's the same for all of our offers. So for Brisbane, I've got something similar, but no, for Brisbane, we're going to offer only a 5% discount. And for any other location, I'm going to offer a 1% discount. And obviously you can scale this out for as many different locations as you want. Okay, so that's our offers. That's essentially the conversation we're going to have. That's the structure of it. And that's the information that we've got to work with in terms of the experience. Now let's go into our decision model. As I said earlier, we need to look at a combination of 2 different attributes: their member status and their location. In the decision model, I've actually used decision templates. So templating your decision, your programming decision, is just a way that you can abstract some of this out and make it really easy to reuse. So the first programmable decision template is around our campaign. So when it comes to the decision model, we're going to be looking at visitors that are visiting our site using the new member campaign. And for geolocation, this is just the programmable that returns the name of the city that the visitor is currently in. Okay, so now let's go into our decision model. I've created a decision model called Discount by Geolocation City. In the variants, this is where you can move different versions of the decision model through a workflow. Let's look at the one that we have in production. So a pretty basic decision model here. We're looking at guest data and we're applying two different programmables that I showed you as part of the decision templates. Firstly, the campaign. So we're looking for campaign matching the value of new member, and this is going to return a true or false. And then we're looking at returning the geolocation in the form of city for the current visitor. And then you can see these get combined in a decision table. The other input here is our offers. So in the decision table, we've got two input columns. We've got our city and our true-false flag in relation to the new member campaign. So if the current visitor is geolocated in Sydney and the new member campaign is true, then offer them the Sydney offer. If they're from Brisbane and it's true, offer them the Brisbane offer. If they're not from either of those locations, but the new member campaign is true, then give them the other offer. Okay, that's our decision model. The next step is to go into our experience. We have an experience called Discount by Geolocation. It's currently live. A couple of things to point out before the experience itself. So we're targeting this to show on the home page only. We're also filtering our audience so that the only people that will see this experience are visitors that are coming in as new members. And you can see we've already linked up our decision model, Discount by Geolocation City. Now when we go into the experience, go into the advanced edit mode, we can see across our tabs here, firstly with the API tab, we're connecting to our decision model. And then the HTML tab, we're returning the different attributes of our decision offer. So the message will be, as a new member from city name, we can offer you a certain percentage discount today only. And then I'm inserting the image there that we have as part of our offer and offer template as well. So we can preview this, preview the API, but for now, given it's live, I'm going to jump straight to the live site and show you this experience in action. Go into a new incognito. We'll go to the live site. There's no campaign value set, so we get the default experience. And now if I add the campaign parameter, you can see we're getting the Sydney offer message. And if we were visiting from Brisbane, we'd get the Brisbane offer message. And there you have it. A pretty simple web experience built using offers and decision modeling so that we can deliver a personalized experience at scale.